Hey everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about how we can get attendance report from Teams schedule call. So sometimes there are situations where you need to know how many users have connected to your Teams meeting and how long they stay on the call. At that time this tip is very useful to you. Now let's consider this example. Here you can see that there is a meeting invite for project management team leads. Here you can see 3 users has been invited. Here Dhruvin is organizer and other 3 are the attendees. Now this feature is only specific to organizer. Now let's attend the call and now let's see how we will get the attendees report. So as an organizer I'm joining the call, so I just click here and click on join. Now let other users need to join. Now I already log in with Adele's account here, so now let me join as Adele's account over here. Now what I need to do here is, like, this is Dhruvin's account. Dhruvin is organizer. Now he want to see the attendance report, right? So what he need to do here is he just need to click on show participants, and here he can see that Adele has joined the call and these 2 people haven't joined the call. And from here just click on ellipsis, or sometimes this option is available as icon. Now here we have an option download attendance list. Just click on that. This will download one CSV file over there. So your file has been downloaded. Now just open the file and let's see which type of output we are getting. Just go to your downloads folder and the attendance report has been downloaded for you. So you can see that this attendance report has been downloaded in a form of CSV. So let me open that file and you can see here, we can see the entire activity over here. Like Dhruvin has joined at this time, Adele joined at this timestamp, right? Now let me do one more thing. Let me disconnect the call with Adele's account and let's see which type of action we are getting over there. So I disconnected a call from Adele's account and now we can see that Adele is leaving now. Now let me download the report again and let me check the attendance list over here. So the file has been downloaded. Now let's check the attendance file again. So one more CSV file has been downloaded and we can see that we are able to see that Adele has joined and Adele has left at this particular time. Alright, now one more thing, let me rejoin with the Adele's account. So now I am joining again the call, so let me click on join. Now with Adele's user I joined the call. Now let me check with Adele's account that Adele will able to see the attendance report or not. So I log in with Adele's account and as you can see that there is no such option to download the attendance report. So that means that this feature is only for organizer specific. So only organizer can download the attendance list from here, right? So hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your questions in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.